How to stop bloating after eating? If you feel bloated after you eat, your body is trying to tell you something and most people ignore it. As women get older, most time we are just told that we can expect discomfort, bloating, and digestive issues. However, it's not your body wearing out. Bloating and indigestion is a signal that something is not working properly. Many times it's a lack of digestive enzymes, gut imbalances, too much bacteria, or your gut might be inflamed and you're having a hard time breaking down food properly. When digestion is compromised, you're not just dealing with discomfort. Many times you're limiting your body to be able to absorb the foods that you're eating that fuel your gut, your brain, and your energy. So instead of ignoring it or covering it up, it's important to support your gut at the root cause. First, look at what you are consuming on a daily basis. Are your foods and drinks full of nutrients or chemicals? Chemicals and synthetic additives cause your tummy to rebel because it cannot assimilate it. So it's time to trade those in for nutrient-dense foods and pure water. Secondly, food-grade essential oils can be a powerful solution. When you are using high-quality essential oils like ginger, peppermint, or fennel, you provide your body with tools that will help aid digestion, calm the tension, soothe the gut lining, reduce bloating, increase metabolism, and be able to increase gut motility. All in a simple way that works with your body, not against it. Wonderful essential oils and even many more that are excellent for supporting good digestion. So instead of just accepting bloating as a common thing when we age, this is a message to your body. And when you respond with the right support, it's amazing what will happen for your gut as well as your brain. Ginger essential oil helps to stimulate saliva, digestive enzymes, and stomach acid, so it helps to break down your food better and absorb the nutrients. Peppermint helps to soothe the muscles in the digestive tract, reducing spasms, easing the bloating, and helping move through the digestive tract more easily. Fennel helps to reduce gas and bloating and helps move the food through the digestive tract much more easily. And all three of these essential oils are easy to add to water and foods, and I'm going to show you some examples. First, after a meal, you can take a small glass of warm water and add 1 or 2 of these essential oils, just a drop of each. I'm adding peppermint and ginger. Just 1 drop. Drink it down. It helps to soothe your digestion and keep you from bloating. Next, you can even add food-grade essential oils to your foods. Here's some examples. Some of my favorites: chocolate chunk cookies, as well as brownies, and some almond butter fudge, which really gets the raves. The almond butter fudge has ginger and wild orange in it, while my famous brownies have peppermint and ginger, and the cookies just have ginger added. All of them are extremely delicious, and everybody so far has just loved the flavor. Next, you can add drops of your favorite digestive essential oils to warm drinks as well as even smoothies. Additionally, stir fries and anything that calls for ginger, you can add 1 to 2 drops of ginger essential oil to your food instead of ginger root to help in aiding digestion. There are so many ways that you can use your essential oils to help reduce the bloating and stimulate a better digestion. As a holistic nutritionist, I have come to understand that everything that goes into your mouth and your body will either boost it or sabotage it. And food-grade essential oil is a blessing to your body, gut, and your brain. So look at the information in the comments and get food-grade essential oils at wholesale cost. You don't have to live with bloating. Start by naturally supporting your gut with the exact essential oils that I trust and use daily.